Prediabetes does not start when sugar becomes diabetes. It starts much earlier. If breakfast makes you hungry again in 2 hours, insulin resistance may already be the part of the problem. This smoothie is built to support insulin balance, fullness, and steady energy. If you have prediabetes or insulin resistant, breakfast should do three things: keep you full, reduce cravings, avoid a sugar spike. And here's a smarter DrPKLyfe smoothie formula. Blend together 1 cup plain kefir or plain Greek yogurt. This gives you protein for fullness. Kefir may also support your gut microbiome, which is closely linked to insulin health. 1 scoop protein powder. This helps protect muscle mass, slows hunger, make the smoothie more satisfying. It could be veggie protein or it could be whey protein. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk plus half a cup of 2% milk. This adds texture, creaminess, and little extra protein without loading the smoothie with sugar. Half a cup of rolled oats. Oats provide slow release carbs and soluble fiber, which can help give steadier energy instead of quick sugar rise. Half a banana. This adds creaminess and potassium, but in a controlled portion so the smoothie does not become too sugary. Half a cup of berries. Berries are lower in sugar than many fruits and rich in antioxidants and fiber. Half tablespoonful peanut butter or almond butter. This adds healthy fat, helps slow digestion, which can reduce glucose spike after breakfast. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Chia gives fiber, healthy fat that help improve fullness. 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds add magnesium, an important mineral involved in insulin function. 1/4 avocado. Avocado adds fiber, healthy monounsaturated fat, and creamy texture. 1 cup spinach or arugula. My favorite is arugula. These greens add nutrients with very few calories. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon adds flavor without sugar and may support healthier glucose handling. 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk. This is a powerful soluble fiber booster that can help slow digestion, improve fullness, and keep you regular. A small piece of fresh ginger side of thumb. Ginger supports digestion and adds anti-inflammatory benefits. This works because it combines moderate carbs, strong protein, healthy fat, thick fiber. That means better fullness, steadier energy, and fewer cravings later. Prediabetes is a warning sign. Breakfast is one of the best places to start fixing it. And after you finish it, go for 15 minutes of walk. 15 minutes of walk after breakfast. And you let me know how you feel. Try it for a month. And let me know how you feel in terms of your energy, your cravings for sugar, or your feeling of crashing 2 hours later. In general, how you feel. And I'll be glad to answer any questions. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. PK from Dr. PK.